The demand for affordable bandsaws has grown rapidly as DIYers, woodworkers, and metalworkers seek dependable cutting tools without overspending. Hobbyists and professionals alike want compact options that deliver accuracy, smooth performance, and versatility. This guide evaluates the best cheap bandsaws based on cutting capacity, switch quality, build strength, portability.
List number 1. Vevor Portable Bandsaw 110-volt removable alloy steel base corded bandsaw. The Vevor Portable Bandsaw, with its removable alloy steel base, stands out as one of the most versatile budget options available. Designed for portability, yet equipped with enough power to take on metal, rebar, pipe, and small fabrication tasks, this saw strikes an excellent balance between performance and cost. Its 110-volt corded motor provides consistent torque, making it suitable for long cutting sessions without the downtime associated with cordless models. One of its strongest selling points is the removable base, which transforms the saw from a handheld unit into a stable benchtop cutting station. This dual-use design adds tremendous value, especially for DIY metalworkers who want flexibility in tight workshops or job sites. The alloy steel base remains sturdy during operation, reducing vibrations and producing cleaner, straighter cuts. The cutting speed adjustment allows users to fine-tune the blade for various metals, helping prolong blade life and improve efficiency. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution also enhance comfort for extended use. However, because of its low-cost nature, some users may notice slight roughness in the finish or minor adjustments needed during initial setup.
List number 2. WEN Portable Bandsaw for Metal. WEN has built a strong reputation in the affordable tool market, and their portable bandsaw for metal continues that legacy. This model is ideal for hobbyists, fabricators, and maintenance workers who need precision cutting without breaking the bank. The saw's compact size and lightweight feel make it easy to maneuver even when cutting awkward or oversized materials. It works beautifully on aluminum, steel, copper, conduit, and threaded rod. The variable speed motor allows users to control cutting speed depending on the material, which significantly enhances blade life and produce smoother results. The ergonomic handle design provides excellent grip and stability, minimizing hand fatigue during prolonged use. For users working in tight areas, this saw's small footprint and narrow nose profile make it particularly effective. Despite its affordability, the WEN saw cuts surprisingly clean lines, especially with upgraded blades. The built-in safety switch prevents accidental starts, making this a user-friendly option for beginners. While heavier-duty industrial users may find it lacks the sheer power of premium brands, the value it delivers is exceptional for typical workshop or household jobs.
List number 3. Vevor Portable Bandsaw 5-inch cutting capacity corded bandsaw. This upgraded Vevor model offers a generous 5-inch cutting capacity, making it one of the most powerful and versatile budget bandsaws in the handheld category. Its corded design ensures steady, reliable output, making it suitable for cutting pipes, rebar, steel rods, angle iron, and other heavier materials that require consistent motor performance. The larger cutting capacity sets this model apart, as many budget bandsaws only accommodate around 4 inches. This extra clearance opens the door to bigger projects and a broader range of applications. The adjustable blade speed feature gives users greater control over cutting precision, helping produce smoother edges and reducing the risk of blade binding. The saw's construction is rugged for its price, featuring a durable frame and shock-absorbing design that reduces vibration. The rubberized grip improves comfort, which is especially helpful during long cuts or overhead work. While the size makes it slightly heavier than some compact competitors, the added cutting ability and power justify the trade-off.
List number 4. QD-KYHO Bandsaw Portable 9-inch Bandsaw for Woodworking. For woodworkers seeking a cheap yet reliable benchtop bandsaw, the QD-KYHO 9-inch model provides impressive functionality at a low cost. This portable wood-cutting bandsaw offers excellent value for beginners, hobby woodworkers, and compact shop setups.
Its lightweight frame makes it easy to transport or store, while the 9-inch throat capacity provides enough room for cutting small to medium wood pieces. Equipped with a stable base and smooth-running motor, this bandsaw allows for controlled, precise cuts, whether you're working with hardwoods or softwoods. It's ideal for ripping, cross-cutting, curve cuts, and crafting projects. The blade tracking adjustment system helps users maintain accuracy, and the onboard safety features add peace of mind during operation. While it won't compete with larger, more powerful bandsaws used in heavy woodworking shops, it performs exceptionally well for the price. Beginners will appreciate how forgiving and easy to control it is, and experienced woodworkers will find it suitable for smaller projects or secondary workstation use.
List number 5. DeWalt 12 VMAX Extreme Compact Cordless Bandsaw. The DeWalt 12 VMAX Extreme Cordless Bandsaw is a standout choice for users seeking a lightweight, cordless cutting solution. Designed for portability, speed, and convenience, this bandsaw excels in tight spaces and overhead applications where larger saws become cumbersome. Its compact size doesn't sacrifice performance, offering clean and controlled cuts in metal, conduit, threaded rod, rebar, and more. DeWalt's 12V system ensures a smooth, stable cutting experience with minimal vibration. Though compact, the saw delivers impressive power and precision thanks to its well-engineered motor and blade guide system. The built-in LED work light improves visibility, making it easier to align cuts correctly in dim or crowded work areas. Safety features such as the integrated lock-off switch protect against accidental activation. Its cordless design makes it highly convenient for electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and DIYers working away from a power source. While it has a smaller cutting capacity than larger corded units, it's ideal for users who need speed, accessibility, and mobility.